Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Keisha L. Owens. I am the owner of She's a Marketing Beast. You can call me Side Hustle Keisha. My goal on this channel is to bring you the latest and greatest opportunities to work from home, whether you're working online or offline. I'm going to bring you tips on how you can find the most amazing opportunities online. So listen, you guys, I have a 7 top work from home side hustle guide for you. It's free. Just download it. In the description box, you'll see the 7 top link. Go ahead and click on it, follow the instructions, and I'll go ahead and send you a digital download of this guide that will help you along your way trying to find opportunities to supplement your income or make money, full-time money from home, okay? So we're going to jump right into this amazing opportunity. If you're someone who wants to make 70 to $150 an hour, you need to hang on to the end of this video because I'm going to be giving you the top company that is paying $70 to $150 an hour to work from home. Okay, you guys push that notification button and smash that subscribe button so every time I upload a video you're notified. Okay, make sure you hit that link below and in the description box to take you over to that 7 top work from home side hustle guide. We're going to jump right into this information so that you can have this and share this with anybody you know who can benefit from this information. Well, the first thing I want to tell you is this job is amazing. It is for a web designer. Listen, a web designer is someone who creates websites and maintains websites. Let's jump right over to the company that is hiring, has freelance opportunities for a web designer. Okay, this company is called TopToll. TopToll is a platform where you can find work. Okay, so listen, I'm going to tell you a little bit about TopToll, a global community of experts. Join the world's most influential workforce in design, business, and technology. Connect with experts through networking events, volunteering, and more. And see here, you can see here some of the companies that they have had the opportunity to work with: Amazon, Microsoft, Merrill Lynch, Lazarus, Bain and Company. These companies are major companies. We've heard of them. I want to go into just a little bit about TopToll for you so that you know a little bit more about the company. Why TopToll? Many companies, both large and small, faced challenges with finding top talent, from candidate qualifications to team dynamics to economics that fit their financial scale. Our unique solution for hiring elite independent contractors addresses all these concerns. So that's a little bit about TopToll. They are a platform that is hiring web designers. Okay, so let's go over here so you can see again more clients that they work with, so you know that it's a reputable company. They have some companies that we hear that are known all over the world and are household names. So here's a list of companies: Bridgestone. We know Bridgestone. We know Gucci. We know we definitely know Gucci, and we know Airbnb, Shopify, and NetApp and Zendesk. So these are companies that we've seen already. We are familiar with them, so we know that they are helping some amazing companies with their web design. Let's go over here really quick so you can just get a little bit more about the company. About us: TopToll has created by engineers. We are entrepreneurs, all passionate about growing our exclusive network of top talent, business, design, and technology in the world. Okay, so this just tells you a little bit more about TopToll. And just so you know, I did some further research for you to kind of just compare. I wanted to compare the difference between a web designer and a developer. So when I looked at the developer, it showed that the average rate range for a developer is anywhere from $60 to $95, where a web designer may charge anywhere from 70 to 150. So that's why I brought you the web designer information and found you a website where you can go on and look for work as a web designer. So here's that information for you. Let's go here. I want to click on apply as a freelancer just so you guys can see what you would do. Okay, so you would go here to designer and then you would click next. Okay, so just an overview, working with ecosystems of top designers and top companies is critical. That's our focus, okay? So top clients connecting with great clients is what Topto does best. Steady work, searching for high quality long-term work is a pain. We work to provide an abundance of opportunities for you so you can cherry pick your favorite projects and clients. Solid pay. You're an A player and you deserve to be compensated as much. We understand this. Our pay is competitive and we make sure everyone within the network is treated fairly. Travel and benefits. Joining Topto means you can travel the world as an elite freelancer, okay? We also provide advanced skills development opportunities and any support you need to work effectively, okay? Requirements. Let's go over some of the requirements so you know what you're required to have to work here. Top designers are expected to perform with extreme professionalism at all times. Our clients expect to be working with elite designers, and like our clients, we do not tolerate subpar work or poor communication for any reason. Okay, full-time designers um, are expected to work at least 40 hours a week. Always make sure you understand your client's expectations in advance. Part-time designers at Top Tool can have a varied work hours and schedules, but they are expected to work at least 20 hours per week. Always make sure you understand your client's expectations in advance. Hourly Top Tool designers can have widely variety work hours and schedules, and there are no weekly minimums. Always make sure you understand your client's expectation in advance. So looks like you have to be able to ramp up quickly, be responsive, be proactive, adapt to client schedule, be reliable, communicate well, maintain quality, work quickly, constantly improve. So these are some of the characteristics or traits you need to have to work at this company with and provide great service with integrity. Okay, so here's something about, let's check out what the community, they have a global community of experts here, so you can go here, and then they have some events. So here is some information about opportunity for you to be a web designer and make really good money. So if that's your background, I want you to come over and visit Top Tool. Drop a comment below if you end up signing up with them and have an experience. We want to hear about it. Okay, if you have any friends who are web designers, shoot this information over to them. You guys, I talked to you today about opportunities to make money, and that's the goal, is for you to supplement your income, be able to provide for your family, or just make a full-time or part-time income online, on or offline. That's what I'm here for. But this is also just a reminder, this is also you trading your time for dollars. If you're looking for passive income, money you can make while you're sleeping, money you can make while you're on vacation with your family, I want you to click the links below in the comments, in the description box. In the description box, I'm going to have my number one way of making money from home, my number one way of making money online, and I also have the link for the 7 top work from home side hustles that you can do. So get that information. The more information you have, the more opportunities are going to be open up to you. So go ahead and get that information. If you have any questions, feel free to get back with me. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like, and hey, share this information, and drop a comment below. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, you guys have a great day. Bye bye.